So, welcome, my bro. I'm just at home. As you can see, the way I'm dressed. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in this world. I've just moved out of my hideout. Today is a Saturday, and we are very busy here today. Somebody, and I'm turning the camera. Right, the camera is misbehaving, but I've turned it. So there was a guy who was helping me here today. Just the work we have done today. You see now, what is going to let us down is the rain. So let's see. We have been weeding here and taking around. And the problem now is the rain. Sasa hapa mvua ndio itatusaidia sasa. Na huwezi kuweka maji kitu kama hii. Yeah? Si unaona huwezi kuweka maji. Yeah? Itakuwa ngumu. Mungu atajua vile ametupangia. Sisi hatuwezi kupanga. Okay. So I'm talking to my neighbor there about the idea that here we need rain because we have just finished weeding these beans. Alright, you can see they look very healthy, and the maize is also coming up, but it is not too much. So we are talking to him. You can see him there going, and I was asking him. He's telling me it is only God who knows the plans He has for us. All right. So, guys, this is what I've been doing today. Sometimes I do some farming, and you can see the maize has not come out yet. It looks very small, as you can see this one here. Here is a maize coming out. All right, another maize there, another maize there. Then there is another maize here, which is bigger. Generally, I can see only the beans are doing well. Maize, but there are some maize which are quite big, like this one. It's not a bad maize. All right, that size is okay. All right, so there you are, guys. This is what I've been doing today, and you can see I've done a wonderful job, guys. You can see I've done a wonderful job. All right, as you can see, the whole of this area has been weeded. The whole of this area is now weeded, so I have nothing I can complain about. So all what we do is we pray that God knows when the rain is coming, because there are some things you cannot judge yourself. So guys, there you are. I've finished that work now, weeding, just waiting for the rains. The beans are okay, and so I just go home back. Oh, so let's go back to my hideout. interesting here. Let me show you guys. There's something interesting. You see these beans here, which are next to the wall, the perimeter wall where there is shade. These ones here, they are very, very healthy. Very healthy. You see, they even don't look like they are affected by the sun. But the others there, maybe they will look like this when the sun goes down, because the sun is almost setting. Alright? So, wish me the best of luck in my farming. I'm already inside. I've got in. I want to water some of my products here. You can see my skuma. Let me show you my skuma just now. Guys, I'm here now. You can see that's my cassava, and that is my mango tree. My mango tree is already fruiting there, as you can see. I think the camera is facing the direction of the sun, and you have my beautiful sugar canes here. You can see my beautiful sugar canes, guys. There's one which is very healthy and very tall. Alright, and you can see I have even a banana. I have a banana I'm eating slowly there. Okay, I like bananas. I like roasted and boiled bananas. I like them so much, guys. My avocado tree is just about to flower. Okay, these are my sugar canes and my cassava. Cassava is here, and there you can see my sugar cane also there, and then another banana there, which is resting there. So, I don't know, what do we call this fruit? It's a fruit, guys. You could put it in the comments section. It has got yellow fruits. What do we call it? Guys, may I know in the comment section? Guys, we have even also the guava. The guava is here. It is already fruited, but I pruned some of the leaves because they were blocking the road. But the guava, all right, the guava is there, and it has fruits which we are going to enjoy very soon. There it is, some guava. All right. So I pruned it the other day. That sugar cane is not doing very badly. So on the other side here we have my skuma. My skuma. I think what I will do is you can see the skumas are doing so well. Okay, they are doing very, very well. And it is the tall type. It's not the one which gets finished very fast. There are some which are short and they don't last very long. Okay, so this is the best type, which you continue eating as it grows. Okay, my beautiful cedar trees are also coming up so well. Look at that. I pruned yesterday. Guys, look at it. And it's not one, there are two. There are two of them. That's the other one there. Coming up so well. I have got a wonderful flower. Guys, who can tell me the name of this flower? Let me move from the shadow. This flower, what do we call it? In your place, put the name in the comments section. I've got the same one here, and it is growing very healthy. All right. I've got another fruit here. What do we call it? Guys, just give me the name under the comments section. Don't ask me, don't tell me that why. How have you planted plants? You don't know their names. Just assist, we are together. Okay, there's a skuma here which is drying. I don't know what is happening. It is wilting. Okay, so I will check what is wrong. But and another one has flowered. another skuma has flowered. Skuma wiki is the other name of skuma wiki is kale. All right. Then I've got the Amaranthus hybridas here, and I think I'll give them water here because I think I will give these water. The Amaranthus hybridas, I will give them water, and my arrowroots. You see, my arrowroots are there. I'm going to water them just now. That's my arrowroots. And there we have got the kirifi famous plant there. It's coming up very well. That one there. You find them in kirifi most of the times. We have got this cinder here, the umbrella cinder. Is it the umbrella cinder? I don't know. Guys, you can tell me the name of it. Let me show you. That, what do you call that tree? I think it is a cinder family. Eh? All right, because we have the umbrella tree here. Right. Growing very tall. All right, and finally we have the lemon grass. So guys, let me prepare myself to give water to the ones I can give for now. So guys, I want to set this camera here, then I water. I don't know whether we are going to be visible. Yeah, but I think we are going to be visible because I want to do some watering of these arrows here. I want to give them water because there is water. Yes. I use this pipe. Guys. The camera is quite far and I'm not close to the microphone. So I want to water the arrow. You can see the spray of water here. So the arrow grow. I hope I'm proud enough to be hand. I also put the lemongrass. I hope you can see the lemongrass from there. Guys, can you see the lemongrass here? The one I'm watering. All right. I want to put all of them water today. The good thing that, as you have seen in the green section, here. So I don't know whether if I talk from here, the camera can go to me. I think that is enough. We can stop now. I think that is enough. Okay. That is enough for now, guys. We will see now that you have seen I've watered, and I will show you how it is. This is what I was watering. All right. You can see I already watered the Amaranthus hybridas, or Kararu. In Jamaica, they call it Kararu. All right. And then I've also watered my arrowroots. All right, you see, arrowroots and the cararoo has been supplied with water. So guys, you can see even my lemongrass is now okay. The arrowroots are there. All right, so some people might be wondering how comes there are arrowroots here, but we have to try everything, guys, in this world for survival. So that is the lemongrass. So guys, what I'll do is we'll call it a day. It has been a very successful day to me because I've finished weeding my beans, and now I'm just waiting for the rain. My ducks have really grown big, as you can see. They are here. I've just moved them out. Okay. All right. They look very healthy. And then my friend there is there. My good puppy. Very cooperative. I managed to tie it. All right. I managed to tie it. Now, because it was afraid to everybody. Oh, guys, what do you think? Is the best thing is not to buy something and tie it. You can see now it's going to have discipline because it was joking with everybody. All right. Look at the way it is reasoning. It's a very clever puppy. Okay. So I've already tied that one. So guys, do you want us to end the video there, or I take you to another place to show you that I'm blessed? Because I think the number of my chicken is going to increase, because as you see, what you're going to see here is going to supply, see the chicks. All right. The number of chicks, when I was showing you the other time, they were not as these. The number has increased. The mother is so protective. All right, you can see. The mother is very protective, but there are quite many. Let's have a, let the mother move a bit, and you're going to see. All right. The mother. There are many, quite many chicks. Okay, let me try to zoom a bit. All right, so that you can see them. Yeah, those are my chicks. So very soon I'm going to have a lot of hens here, guys, and you are welcome to come and eat one when they grow. Okay, so guys, without much ado, I end my video here at the place where my hen is resting, and I see you next time, guys. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys. And we connect some other time. Goodbye. See you. But something I never forgot, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch the video from the beginning to the end, and tell your friends also to enjoy what I give you. Goodbye, and see you next time.